Hi everyone, this is PACKTALK, simply put the world's best motorcycle communication system. And now we're making it even better. Introducing Firmware version 4.0, a major upgrade to your PACKTALK that includes both simplified button operations and a major brand new application to run it. This tutorial will include the next 4 topics: downloading and installing Firmware Upgrade 4.0 from the Cardo community, operating your upgraded PACKTALK, operating Cardo Connect, and frequently asked questions and troubleshootings. Let's begin. The first stage in upgrading your PACKTALK to 4.0 is to connect it to a computer through a USB cable and connect your computer to the Cardo community. Go to cardosystems.com, go to support and click on the Cardo community link. Click on the enter link and sign yourself in. If this is your first time in the community, you'll have to register yourself first. Fill in your details and a valid email. We will send you a verification email to that address to complete your registration. Complete the optional personal detail page, fill in the CAPTCHA at the bottom and click on Submit. If this is your first time in the community homepage, you may be required to download and install the Cardo Updater app. Just click on the clearly visible icon on the top left of the screen and press on all the usual installation approval buttons. Did you remember to confirm your registration via the email we sent you? Give a few seconds for the community to recognize, sync, and analyze your unit. Firmware Upgrade 4.0 is waiting for you. Just click on the Upgrade button on the left-hand side. Please take the time to carefully read the release notes. Upgrade 4.0 introduces some new capabilities and features, but also removes or changes other features of your PACKTALK. We highly recommend downloading the new PACKTALK 4.0 Pocket Guide. This brand new reference tool will make learning PACKTALK new features and capabilities a breeze. Just click on the link below and download the PDF to your computer. Now, let's go back to the update screen. Click on the OK button and let the updater process commence. The upgrade process will now begin. Please do not disconnect the unit while the update process is in place. This major upgrade process should take anything between 3 to 10 minutes, but with the miracles of digital video editing, we managed to squeeze it just slightly. Congratulations! Your unit has just been upgraded in a major way. Just in case, please note that you can also downgrade the unit back to its previous status. Take a few minutes to explore the settings of your unit, adding radio stations, speed dial, and more. When you're done, please remember to sync the unit before disconnecting for your settings to changes to take effect. Now, let's explore your upgraded unit. There are few major changes in this latest upgrade. Let's go through them one by one. Straight away, your upgraded PACKTALK has one major difference. It's this wheel. Press it to stop or pause music, radio, phone call, or a conversation. Tired of toggling between different audio sources? We made that much more simple. No longer do you need to stop music before playing radio and vice versa. You just press the play button for 2 seconds and the toggle is made. Let's start with playing music. To switch to radio, we'll press this button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep.
91.8.
And back to music. To stop music, press the stop button. The same button will work for radio too. Activating your mobile phone has been made much simpler. Let's go through all the major changes. To answer a call, simply press any one of these buttons. Let's see how. There are several things you can do while talking to someone. To begin with, let's answer a call. Now you can share the call with your buddy by pressing the intercom button. You can use either one of the other 3 buttons to end that call. Your upgraded PACKTALK can now not just accept or reject calls, it can even ignore calls. Let's see how. To ignore a call, simply grab the roller and swipe it quickly both ways. And the call is ignored. To reject a call, simply press any one of these buttons for 2 seconds. The last change to the phone features we implemented in 4.0 is the way you activated speed dial. Press the phone button for 2 seconds. And your speed dial is connected. We've made just a slight change to pairing your mobile device or GPS on the second Bluetooth channel. We made a slight change to the way you pair a second mobile device. Start with pressing the phone button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep.
Mobile phone 1 pairing.
To move to the second channel, double press the phone button.
Mobile phone 2 pairing.
On the mobile device, press Bluetooth.
Paired successfully.
And you're done. Another slight change we've made is the way you access voice commands. Press these 2 buttons, wait for the beep, and they say the command. When in Bluetooth mode, you can also yell to the microphone, "Hey!" Wait for the beep, and then say the command. Even conducting a group conversation in DMC has been made much more intuitive and simple. When you want to mute the DMC group, simply press the wheel button for 2 seconds. To unmute the group, press it for 2 seconds again. To bridge in a non-DMC unit that you first have to pair in Bluetooth mode on channel 1, simply press the intercom button. To end the bridge, press that intercom button again. To start a private chat in DMC group, double tap the intercom button. To stop the private chat, double tap the intercom button again. Just remember to choose a member for a private chat via the mobile app first. Sharing audio using your upgraded PACKTALK is easy. Simply press an audio source and share it with your Bluetooth paired buddy by pressing the intercom button for 2 seconds.
Sharing mode activated.
To stop sharing music, press the intercom button again for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. For more information, consult the Pocket Guide. You can download it directly from the Cardo website or the Cardo community. You can also use the Cardo Connect application to see it online. Now let's move to the second item on our agenda, and it's quite big. It's the newest Cardo Connect app. Open the Cardo Connect app. Did you remember to pair your unit? Give it a few seconds to sync. The home screen contains 5 key elements: quick access, intercom, FM radio, music, and phone. Let's start with phone. The phone screen contains places for 4 speed dials. The first one can access directly from the unit, and the other 3 are application-based. You can press the set button and choose one from your phone library or contacts. You can also use voice dial and of course the redial function. Your music section will have your music library. You can press forward and backward. You can press play, and of course you can share it with your Bluetooth paired buddy. To access your FM radio, press the radio icon where you can see already some saved stations. You can switch between one station to another. You can add a station to an empty place. Simply press it for 2 seconds to enter the edit mode, and then either delete it or press the pencil to edit the station. You can of course share the audio with your Bluetooth paired buddy. Finally, the intercom button. Switching between Bluetooth to DMC is easy. Just remember to switch off your music or radio before doing the switch. Switching back and moving to the main screen. The final button is the most unique one. That's the quick access. Quick access allows you to access everything this application have in one main screen: phone, audio including music and radio, and intercom. Finally, settings. Cardo Connect has many ways to fine-tune and set your device, starting with the information including the name, going on to the various audio settings, switching RDS on your radio, toggling between day only or night only or auto switch, and various about and help screens. Press help to view a mobile copy of the Pocket Guide we covered previously. Having difficulties connecting your unit to a computer, getting a DO2 issues, then let's do the following. First, disconnect your unit, turn it off and turn it on again. Try a different USB cable. Sometimes the USB port can be damaged. Holding the cable and the unit together firmly can solve it. If this doesn't work, try a different browser. If all else fails, try a different computer. That's it for now. Enjoy your upgraded PACKTALK and Cardo Connect application, and most of all, ride safe.